Are you raising chickens but not sure on how to protect them from mites? Many chemical-based products are available in the market, but they come with some harmful side effects. The good news is that there are natural or organic ways of treating and preventing these parasites on your chicken flock, and I will be sharing them with you in this video. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back. As I said earlier, we shall be looking at natural or organic ways of preventing and treating mites in chickens. So let's get started. Chicken mites are a common problem that can cause discomfort in your beds and can even lead to serious health problems. Therefore, it is essential to take preventive measures and address the issue promptly if you notice any signs of infestation. What then are chicken mites? Chicken mites are tiny parasites that feed on the blood of chickens. They can cause anemia, weight loss, and even death in severe infestations. According to a study published in the Journal of Veterinary Medicine, poultry mites are one of the most significant entoparasites affecting the poultry industry worldwide. How do chicken mites spread? Chicken mites can spread easily from one chicken to another, and can also be carried by wild birds or rodents. They can also survive for up to several months in chicken coop bedding, which make it important to regularly clean and disinfect your chicken coop. Symptoms of chicken mite infestation. If your chickens are experiencing an infestation of chicken mites, you may notice a decrease in egg production, weight loss, anemia, and lethargy. You may also notice that your chickens have pale combs and wattles, as the mites are feeding on their blood. Preventing chicken mites. Preventing chicken mites is a key to avoiding an infestation. Here are a few natural ways to prevent chicken mites. 1. Regularly clean and disinfect your chicken coop. As mentioned earlier, chicken mites can survive in chicken coop bedding for several months. It is important to regularly clean and disinfect your chicken coop to prevent an infestation. 2. Provide your chicken with a dust bait. Chicken love to take dust baits, and this is actually a natural way for them to keep mites and other parasites away. Make sure to provide your chicken with a dust bait area that includes sand, dirt, and wood ash. 3. Keep your chicken healthy. Healthy chickens are less likely to experience a mite infestation. Make sure to provide your chickens with balanced diets, access to clean water, and plenty of space to move around. Treating chicken mites naturally. If your chickens are already experiencing a chicken mite infestation, do not worry. There are natural ways to treat chicken mites. 1 is the essential oils. Essential oils such as tea tree oil, lavender oil, eucalyptus oil are known for their insecticidal properties. Mix a few drops of this oil with water and spray the mixture onto your beds and their coops. This oil can kill mites and prevent them from coming back. 2. Diatomaceous earth. According to a study published in the journal Poultry Science, diatomaceous earth is an effective tool for controlling external parasites such as mites. Simply sprinkle diatomaceous earth in and around your chicken coop to kill mites. 3. Neem oil. Neem oil is a natural insecticide that can be shown to be effective against chicken mites. According to a study published in the Journal of Economic Entomology, neem oil caused significant mortality of chicken mites in laboratory tests. Simply mix neem oil with water and spray it on your chickens and around your chicken coop. 4. Garlic. Garlic has a natural insecticidal properties that can help kill chicken mites. According to research, garlic has shown insecticidal activity against several arthropods, including mites. Simply crush garlic clove and mix with water. Then spray onto your chickens and around your chicken coop. 5. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs such as chamomile, calendula, and lavender have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching properties that can soothe your bed's skin and prevent them from scratching. You can make a herbal infusion and add it to their bath water or spray it onto their feathers. Chicken mites can cause discomfort and health problems for your pets if left untreated. However, there are many organic treatments that can effectively prevent and treat mites. By maintaining a clean and healthy environment and regularly inspecting your pets, you can prevent mites from infesting your coop. And if you do notice signs of infestation, essential oil, neem oil, garlic, diatomaceous earth, and herbal remedies are all effective organic treatment that can help you eliminate mites and keep your pets healthy. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on information about organic poultry farming. See you on my next video. Bye.